An emotional place. And that's okay. I am in a safe space. Thought I'd come down to the forest today and I love being here. Really, I love being here so much. And now I'm scared to be here because I'm not with somebody, or with them, and we'd always go here together. I decided to respond against my anxiety and I came down here. It's okay. It's okay to cry. This is a safe space. And this safe space is in here. It's inside. Really. I know sometimes you want to love somebody so much and it's still not enough. Well, I'm turning in and I'm realizing I need to love myself. I do love myself. And affirming that helps. If you want to help, if you want to affirm that with me, feel free. I seems silly, and yet there's a part of me so deep down inside that feels good, responds to that, is listening to that. For me, just getting out here, just breathing, sitting and breathing, instead of running away and burning out. This is enough, okay? I'm gonna work on a little stretching, because I know that helps. I know it now. I'm working through it. Not enough. In fact, this time I'm gonna lay down. That helps. Bunch of stickers out here, but it's okay. Nothing can hurt me. Nothing can hurt you except for you. Because nobody can love you except for you. And unfortunately, not all of us grew up with that unconditional love. And so we didn't develop it inside of us. but the love is there. The pieces of you want to be together. And I know you even want it too. All we have to do is try. That's it. All we have to do is try. Try and not give up when it gets hard. Because of course it's gonna get hard. In life, everything, it's supposed to be hard and suffering because there's beauty past that fear. If we just give up whenever it's hard, no wonder we have so many problems. And it's so scary. And it's so scary getting past that. But you know, home is where I home is where you want to be, not where you need to be. If you're if you're and I know if you're somewhere you think you need to be, but you don't want to be there, even if you do, give me a second, even if you do, it's just gonna cause resentment. The problem is the need in that situation. The need is getting in front of the want, where I want to be and where I'm going is I want to be there. I want to be with you. I don't need to be. I want to. And I really do, and it feels so good. There's one fear that's really scary to me right now with that. And it's if you're able to take you're in a, I need to be here, I need to be with them situation, but I don't want to be. And you're able to flip it and do healing, amazing healing, and you want to be there. You don't need to be. You want to be there. What scares me is if, okay, but what if then they don't want you? What if then they don't need you or want you? I don't know. It sounds like fear is just talking. But I know there's a reality on the other end. The reality that if that attachment is shit, you have to let go, and only in letting go is there true love. But you know, as soon as you let go and you accept it, it's like, what if they don't? I want to grab on again. Where is the reality? The reality is if you do real healing, it is a win-win situation. And that shouldn't be scary. Only the attachment to fear is telling you to be scared. That you can't do it. You can. I can. We can do this. Because it's a win-win. With real healing, if you heal yourself truly, straight up, then the universe will bring you back together. And now you both want to be together. And just genuinely enjoy each other's company and or and you're going to be good in that situation because you're one with yourself. You're not helping out of anxiety pointlessly in vain. Or the difficult reality to accept is that or it's just not meant to be. The universe is not trying to bring you back together. And that it's just moments and you have this cherished memory for a lifetime, for eternity. But now you're free emotionally with yourself to do anything, to start a new experience and journey, which I think has got to be so beautiful in life. Wow. I'm just in Pricklies. I've been Pricklies, so it's okay. I'm finding a I'm finding some. I'm getting some anxiety just trying to go into this stretch. It's not. So I'm just gonna re. I'm gonna re shift. Find a. Okay, because I'm just covered in stickies everywhere. I want to stretch. I know there's something there. Touching my toes, easy. Grabbing my ankles, easy. This next step, we're gonna bring our head down, and then we're just gonna slowly, with breathing, deep breathing, just bring the forehead to the knee, slow with and closer with each exhale out. Breathe in, exhale a little bit deeper, and we're gonna work through this. And we're gonna get down there into the trauma storage zone. We're gonna tell our inner being, our inner hurt split child, it's okay and they're safe. I love you. It's okay. Hi. It's okay. I'm right here. My shirt's kind of because I'm, going down at this angle. My shirt's getting caught up in my mouth, restricting my breathing, interrupting the process and giving me anxiety. We're all beings. I'm just gonna take the shirt off. Just so I could get a proper stretch, okay? Hey, and you know what? It's okay if you don't get it the first time, or the second, or the third, okay? The only time you fail is when you only fail when you stop trying. Okay, we're going in. Hmm, I know. I know. It's a lot. It's a lot. I know. My knees want to buckle because it's literally just trauma response trying to block up the pain to protect myself. My body is still hardwired to do it. It's all about re-hardwiring, resetting our programming with love. Only love. All right. I'm coming. I'm coming in ya. I'm coming for you, Inner Philip. You know, I'm coming. I'm coming for you. Let's get him. We're coming for you. We're coming for you. Hey, we're just gonna give you some loving, okay? We love you. This inside of us. I'm scared. It's scary to receive that love when you've been hurt, when that trust is broken. And that's, of course, the same with ourselves. That's it. Huh, huh, huh. No. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, I'm not going anywhere. Hey, huh. It's okay. I'm right here. I love you. Oh, I love you. I love you so much. I only love you. I am only here for you. Wow. I will never run away from you. I love you and I'm always here for you. That is so real. That is so real. It is such a journey with ourselves. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm just thinking about, ourselves and how we're one with the universe and connected to every living being and creature. Makes me realize, if every being is so split, that's it. We're broken on the inside. So we're broken on the outside. So we can't even connect as human beings to each other as a society. That's it. If we just all do healing inside of us, and we can bring that true healing, and we can bring that outside. If it's true healing, it's just natural. It's just naturally going out. We can do true healing, bring it out. We can heal. The human race society can be healed. The world can be healed. The universe can be healed. The entire universe is right here in our hearts. I've been uh I've been seeing this image of myself in the cold, standing above a frozen ocean, frozen lake, frozen abyss, frozen eternity. And I'm looking at myself, my reflection in the ice I'm standing on. And that I just feel like everything I've known is wrong. I grew up broken. Everything backwards. Survival instincts. Naturally adapted suffering and pain to have growth and meaning and stuff. That's not how we were supposed to live. It was supposed to be with love. And so I feel like this ice, this eternity abyss water is infinite love. And it's the universe, it's everything. And 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 everything we're standing on, everything we're standing on, everything who we are is this fake eye, is this ice blocking us from the universe. Who we are is we're just seeing a reflection in the ice. And we're seeing it stare back at us, and we're saying, that's who I am. And, you know, one of the things I am, have been, and I grew up with is I'm a runner. You see, I say that with a smile. I'm a runner. I love running. I could run 100 miles, you know that? And it feels so good running and exercising and burning out that anxious energy. And I never asked myself why. Why? Is it possible that this core part of your life and beautiful part of your life that you've made it into came and started from a very dark place of hurt? I think so, yes. I am done running. I am done running. It's all about sitting, breathing, feeling, stretching. Because when I come out of that stretch and after I've communicated and connected with myself, I feel like there's a part of me that's experiencing the world for the first time. You know, love is so infinite. It's so beautiful. I would like to do a couple more stretches before I end this session, just because it feels good. Yeah. Oh. Do a couple back, straighten out my back. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, it's that same thing. Oh, just breathe, okay? Oh, oh my gosh. I don't think cramps are real. I think cramps is a physical block your body's putting in because you're not because we are not mentally or spiritually able to actually push our bodies there yet. But you know what? We are. We are already there. It's just with love, okay? No hard expectations, okay? No being hard on yourself. That's, to get it done right and what you need to do. No. It's all about what you want to do, what feels good. What naturally takes that, what naturally does it give you anxiety? And if it does, it means you gotta sit with it. You gotta sit with it. Because it's not supposed to. I have a big, with my legs always running. It's back, my lower back hurts in our back, my spine, all that. I know everybody feels it. Back, neck is not holding yourself up strong. Know your worth, know your value, love yourself, hold yourself up high and strong. Any stress that's getting in there is because we let it break us down. And when we're weak, that's how it gets in there. Okay? Let's pop back in there. We're strong. Okay? We're strong. Let's pop it back. Reaffirm with ourselves that we are strong. I am strong. That's it right there. That's it. Oof. Yep. That's it. Work with that. Push through that stretch. Okay. Just breathe. Just breathe. Wow. It's so beautiful. The sky, the trees. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, and I only see it sometimes because I'm not holding myself up strong. I'm just gonna work. I'm just gonna feel this for a second. I haven't felt this. It hurts. But it could hurt. My arms are tingling. I'm shaking and I'm breathing. And I'm still standing strong. So good. I don't know. I'm so happy. I feel connected with me. Connected with nature, and we are nature. Connected with the universe, we are the universe. Connected with myself, I got my back. I, I've never, I've never felt this just me. I've always had to smoke or drink or go run away. Even in traveling adventures, running and drinking and smoking. I I feel so safe because my heart feels safe. I feel like I got my heart. I'm protecting my heart. It's with the breath. Well, I feel really good. Thank you. Thank you for being on this journey with me and sharing this safe space with me. Really, thank you. Um, Today, if I can make it through it, would be my would be day one not smoking. That's so important. So important to me. Breathing. I know I can do it. I might even read tonight to go to sleep. I don't know. Feels good. Feels good. Rather than the automatic. I get it. We're all the same in that, in all the senses. I get it, of course. Of course. I literally just want to go home. Go home. Sit on the couch. Turn on the TV. Smoke. And that's it. I can't tell you how many times I've done it and tried to do it, and did it and failed, tried to do it and failed, tried to do it and succeed, and and you know what? It always just feels like I'm going back to day one, you know? I'm not gonna smoke. I don't want to smoke anymore in my life. I want to breathe. I love the fresh air. I love me. Well, I'm gonna do it. Bye. See you next time, okay? Bye.